Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, Mom and Kids Style. Today I'm going to do a room tour of my room. So let's open it up. Right here is my shoes. And then here is my room. Here's a closet. I don't have the labels here, and I'm sorry that I have like a mess. So that's my closet. There's some toys up there that I haven't opened up yet. Then over here is my Our Generation Doll RV. And this I use for my birthday. It's a photo booth. And right here is where I like organize like one of my small stuff, like hair accessories, and then small accessories. And if y'all want me to show the rest, I'm gonna do that on another video, so comment down below. That's where I put my medals from school, and I got Student of the Day from school. This is my baby brother's playpen. He has some toys here in his playpen. To be assembled in 6 or 4. Here's my dollhouse. And here's some purses that I put there. I got this dollhouse on my 5th birthday, which my dad gave to me. And my friend Sarah's grandpa helped me assemble this up. And here's my bed that my mom and dad chose right here. There's like a small bed here too, which my grandma used. And this is our family picture. And here's another family picture. And this is my bed shelves. I have like this, which you can like slide it open. You don't like pull it like the other drawers. They slide, and you can put some stuff there. Same thing on the other side, and like you could do this too. You could do that opposite. And I have some dolls over here on the shelves. There's my American Girl doll from my birthday. And then here's some other dolls, like Our Generation dolls and Journey Girls. Then here's a TV, pictures. There's Imagine, Dream, Faith, and all those other ones. And then here's some shelves with dolls and stuffed animals and more. And these are my collectible dolls that I collect. And this is my donation station box that I use, but I'm not gonna give this away because I got it for my birthday. And here is my name, because my middle name is Pauline. And my mom and dad cut it in half, so it's Pal, and my friends call me Pal in school. Some of them call me Princess. And here's my little brother, which he is playing with my stuff. Then And here's the restroom. Here's my crafting table. I use it for crafts. Here's my backpack. I use this backpack in school on kindergarten, but now I don't use it because it's too small. And there is some pictures of me. This one's from my 7th birthday. This one has like some messages from my close friends for my birthday, and that one is from my 7th birthday that I used. Most of my decorations for my room is from Target, Hobby Lobby, sometimes Walmart. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys later.